Before watching the video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon, so you don't accidentally miss our next videos. Thank you. Stewed chickpeas and chard over garlic toast. Serves 4. This is one of those go-to dishes for busy weeknights. It's fast, easy, and filling. It also happens to be a vegan recipe where legumes and whole grains take center stage. Loads of garlic build a savory flavor base, while Swiss chard contributes a decidedly earthy flavor. If you're not a big fan of chard, you can also substitute a milder green, such as spinach or baby kale. For heartier appetites, try topping each serving with a fried or poached egg. And that reminds us, though we're calling this dinner, it would also be splendid for breakfast. Ingredients: 1 can unsalted diced tomatoes, 8 ounces rainbow chard, 6 garlic cloves, divided, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, divided, 1 cup chopped yellow onion, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 3/4 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 can unsalted chickpeas, drained, 4 slices whole wheat boule or country bread. Instructions: preheat broiler with oven rack in top position. Place tomatoes in a mini food processor, pulse until pureed but not completely smooth, 4 to 5 times. Strip chard leaves from stems, coarsely chop leaves. Cut stems into 1/2 inch pieces. Mince 5 garlic cloves. Heat a large skillet over medium. Add 2 tablespoons oil, swirl to coat. Add onion and minced garlic, cook, stirring occasionally, 3 minutes. Add chard stem pieces, cook, stirring occasionally, until onion is tender, about 3 minutes. Add cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper, cook, stirring constantly, until heated through, about 30 seconds. Stir in chickpeas and pureed tomatoes, bring to a simmer. Add chard leaves. Reduce heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer until leaves wilt, about 5 minutes. Cut remaining garlic clove in half. Place bread in a single layer on a baking sheet. Broil until toasted, about 1 minute. Turn bread over, brush with remaining 1 tablespoon oil. Broil until toasted, about 1 minute. Rub cut sides of halved garlic clove over oiled side of toasted bread. Place 1 toast slice on each of 4 plates, top each with about 1 cup chickpea mixture. Acorn squash with sage cranberry rice stuffing. Serves 2. The challenge: slow cooker recipes usually make a gallon of food. Our solution: hack the cooker so that you can make smaller amounts with great results. For a stew or braise, use smaller amounts, place into 8 or 10 ounce ramekins, and set those down in the cooker to slowly simmer to perfection while you're at work. With this recipe, you're basically treating the slow cooker like a small steam oven. The ice slows down the cooking so the squash doesn't overcook. The technique works beautifully to yield buttery soft squash and to meld the flavors in the stuffing. It's a vegetarian-vegan, actually dish that's easy and satisfying. Ingredients: 1 cup pre-cooked microwavable brown rice, 1/4 cup sweetened dried cranberries, 1/2 cup chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoons finely chopped fresh sage, 5/8 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 acorn squash, 10 ounce ice cubes, 1/4 cup chopped hazelnuts, toasted, sage and thyme leaves, optional. Instructions: knead the rice pouch to separate the grains. Combine rice, cranberries, green onions, oil, chopped sage, salt, and black pepper in a medium bowl, tossing well. Cut squash in half lengthwise, scoop out and discard seeds and membranes. Divide rice mixture evenly between squash halves. Tightly twist a sheet of aluminum foil into 2 rings. Place foil rings side by side in bottom of slow cooker. Place each squash half, cut side up, on 1 foil ring. Place ice cubes on bottom of slow cooker around foil rings. Cover, and cook on low until squash is very tender, about 7 hours and 30 minutes. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons hazelnuts on each squash half before serving. Garnish with sage and thyme leaves, if desired. Cauliflower couscous sauce. Serves 4. Use this recipe as a template for any hearty vegetables and grains you have on hand, like broccoli and green beans or quinoa and farro. Ingredients: 2/3 cup Israeli couscous, 2 cups cauliflower florets, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 3 tablespoons chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons chopped dill, 2 tablespoons pine nuts, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 5/8 teaspoon kosher salt. Instructions: preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Cook couscous according to package directions, cool. Arrange cauliflower florets on a sheet pan. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes. Combine couscous, cauliflower, parsley, green onions, dill, pine nuts, lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. Sweet potato and red lentil curry. Serves 8. This fragrant, Indian-style stew hits all the right notes with aromatic garam masala, fresh ginger, and concentrated red curry paste. The coconut milk mellows and loosens the potato and lentil mixture just enough so that it can be spooned over rice. Ingredients: 4 cups peeled, cubed sweet potato, 3 1/2 cups water, divided, 2 cups dried red lentils, 2 cups low-sodium fat-free vegetable broth, 3/4 cup finely chopped white onion, 3 tablespoons Thai red curry paste, 2 teaspoons garam masala, 2 teaspoons grated peeled fresh ginger, 2 teaspoons ground turmeric, cooking spray, 1 tablespoon sugar, divided, 3/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 can tomato paste, 1 cup canned light coconut milk, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 cup very thinly sliced red onion, 4 cups hot cooked brown rice, 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves. Instructions: place sweet potato, 3 cups water, and next 7 ingredients, through turmeric, in a 5 to 6 quart electric slow cooker coated with cooking spray. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, salt, garlic, and tomato paste, stir well to combine. Cover and cook on low 8 hours. Turn off heat, stir in coconut milk. Let stand, covered, 5 minutes. Combine remaining 1/2 cup water, remaining 2 teaspoons sugar, and vinegar in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave at high 2 minutes or until boiling. Add onion to vinegar mixture, let stand 20 minutes at room temperature. Drain. Place 1/2 cup rice in each of 8 shallow bowls. Top each serving with 1 1/4 cups lentil mixture, 2 tablespoons red onion mixture, and 2 tablespoons cilantro. Skillet Ratatouille. Serves 4. Instead of a sauce or side, we serve this Provençal dish as it was originally intended: a simple, humble stew. It's a great way to use up a bundle of peak summer produce. You can also double the stew and refrigerate up to 1 week ahead, then serve as is, spooned over polenta, or with baked chicken or fish. You want a hearty stew consistency rather than a soup here, reserving 1/2 cup of the canned tomato liquid will be just enough. If you'd like to use fresh ripe tomatoes, start with 2 pounds, halving and seeding 1 pound before dicing. Ingredients: 2 cans unsalted diced tomatoes, divided, 2 cans unsalted chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 1/2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, divided, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, divided, 1 cup chopped red onion, 1 cup chopped red bell pepper, 1 large zucchini, cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 large yellow squash, cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 small eggplant, peeled and cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons fresh basil leaves, optional. Instructions: drain 1 can tomatoes in a colander over a bowl, reserving 1/2 cup liquid. Drain remaining 1 can tomatoes, discard liquid. Combine tomatoes, Reserved 1/2 cup liquid, and chickpeas in a bowl. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large skillet over medium-high. Add garlic, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and next 5 ingredients, through eggplant, sauté 7 to 8 minutes or until slightly tender. Stir in tomato mixture and remaining 1/2 teaspoon salt, cover, and cook 5 minutes. Uncover pan, stir in vinegar, paprika, and black pepper. Cook 5 minutes or until vegetable mixture is slightly thickened. Divide vegetable mixture among 4 shallow bowls, drizzle servings evenly with remaining 1 1/2 teaspoons oil. Sprinkle with basil leaves, if desired. If you liked our video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and your wishes, or suggestions on what you would like to see next. Have a nice, and healthy life.